Here, a coach is out front. He's simply going to roll the ball off to my glove side or my throwing side. As a catcher, I quickly turn, hustle after it, slide in, as we taught in the mechanics section, and throw to the pitcher who's covering the plate. We have to begin to get efficient at the mechanics of fielding a pass ball, because it's crucial in a major situation in the game that we were able to field that ball and make an accurate throw and cut off that runner trying to score from third.